So for this first part of this job, we got to remove this caliper. It's two 14mm caliper bracket bolts. I'm going to leave these bolts on. I'll just do it all at once. It's kind of hard to film this top one, but there's the top one. And back there's the bottom one. I'm just going to hold this here and break that loose like that. That's good. And work on the bottom. There you have it. Let's just set that off to the side for right now. Stuck on. Now if you were going to be saving these, you could take this off, but put something back here, but since these are going to be replaced, there you have it. Yeah, see this rotor's in very rough shape. Alright, I got it off, but that thing is not looking good at all. I might have to talk to them. We might be doing wheel bearing and axle. Yeah, it's ugly. I'll see what they want to do. The axle is free though, so that's good. So now we can go on and start working on the back, getting a wheel bearing off. So we have ABS sensor back there, and we gotta get that out of there. So lift up like that. And now we're gonna get it all the way out of our way, like that. Now I got a couple 17mm bolts back here. Okay. I'm using a 1/2 inch extension with a 3/8 adapter because with this axle right here, there's really not a lot of room. They're, you know, too thick, and I don't really want to rub a hole in the rubber boot, so I'm gonna go with 3/8. So we're gonna start. There's one. Two. There's one right back here. Okay. Now If it was just a front wheel drive car, we would beat it out from the back. But unfortunately we can't do that because we got an axle right here in the way. And the only way to get this axle out is remove this whole knuckle assembly. And let me tell you, it's in very bad shape. Got my favorite removal tool set up with a 22mm socket, and let's push. And we're free that fast. You see that is for the ABS sensor, so we need to know that goes on this top, I guess, left corner of the front. Now I'm going to go underneath there and get those bolts started, which I can't really show you. Up to this point, very easy to put it all back together. This is pretty much always the hardest part. Not a lot of room to work up here, and I'm not going to I didn't put that top bolt on there on purpose. Gives you a little extra room to line that sensor up. Alright, so I put everything back together, realigned the brake shoes, or the emergency brake shoes. I retightened up all the bolts in the back. As you can tell, that was kind of a pain to put back in, and that's why I kept the upper bolt out, just so that I could use some prying tools and get them down in there. So that part's done. Let's put that on. Now tighten down those. Okay, I was able to actually torque down this axle nut, so that's really, really nice. So everything is done. Yeah, a couple tips and tricks. That just shows you how to do it. Usually it comes right out of this backing plate. That was like one of those rare times where it's stuck, but yeah, there's obviously way past due. Axle's past due. Look at that right there. There's nothing left of it. Nothing left of that. Yeah, I'll bring it up to him, see what happens. So he might have some more videos coming. All right, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.